So, as a teacher, you are in your class. I'm going to show you how you can organize your classwork section. So, here we're on the stream. I'm going to go to my top of my screen to Classwork. I am going to hit Create, and you're going to see that I can add topics. So, I'm going to scroll down to Topics and click Topic. I am going to make a beginning of school tab. And say add. So I have my beginning of school. Any materials that I have from the first couple of days, I'm going to put here. I can move my topics by dragging them. So I click on beginning of school. I want to bring it above Unit 1, and I can change the order. The three dots on the right give me options to rename, delete. I can copy the link to the entire topic, or I can move that topic down. Same thing as I can move the topic up with those three dots as well. And if you notice on your sidebar, all of these topics are changing. Having the topics on the sidebar helps you organize them quickly, especially if you have a lot of assignments. So if I want to say, oh, I just want to focus only on my Unit 1 material, I can click it and I see all my different assignments. Or I can say, I just want to look at all of the topics. And that's it.